playing with your book, Hallie? You like it? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Oh, you like it. You blow kisses. That means you like it. Hallie, say thank you. Say thank you. Thank you. Uh-oh. You dropped it. Okay, hold on. Let me fix it. There you go. Say thank you, Granny. Thank you, Granny. Ouch. Say thank you. Granny brought you this book with the music. You say thank you, Granny. Hallie. Say thank you. Want to put it back on? Okay. Can you say thank you, Granny? Thank you, Granny. Say thank you, Granny. Hallie. You want to read the book now? Can you say thank you? Hallie? Hallie. Can you say thank you? Okay, hold on. Say thank you. Thank you, Granny. Hallie, thank you, Granny. Hallie, where are your manners? Say thank you, Granny. You gonna dance? Sing your ABCs. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Sing it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. You want to read? Can you say thank you, Granny? Hallie? Can you say thank you? Yes, that's the instructions. Can you say thank you? Thank you. Oh, you're reading? Oh. Oh. Can you read? Oh. Wow. Yeah. Can you say thank you? Hallie, can you say thank you? A, B, C, D. Whoa. Are you going to read the story? You want your music off? Okay. There you go. Hallie, say cheese. Say cheese. Smile, Hallie. Hallie, can you smile and say cheese? Uh-oh. Careful. Say cheese. Hallie, say cheese. Can Mommy get a smile? Say cheese. Hallie, hey. Say cheese. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Can you say cheese? Ah, ah. And the other one, ah, ah. Hallie, say cheese. Cheese.